Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a personal loan with Google Pay. But actually, let me tell you something about Google Pay. Google Pay isn't actually the one providing you loan. You see, Google Pay, according to their website, is just a facilitator between you and their lending partner. So, meaning they don't actually provide any loans, or neither do they review your loan, but rather they just give you options of loan offers from different vendors. So, what we'll do for this video is we will show you three loan applications online that are available in most regions and worldwide that are trusted and recommended. So let's start with the first one being Lightstream by Truist. So Lightstream by Truist, one of the benefits of this is it has a same day funding available. So it has wire transfers if conditions are met and can loan up to $100,000. Now, there are no origination fees required and there are no early payoff fees nor late fees as well. Plus, on the plus side, if you're a bit of a green thumb, it's best to know that Lightstream plants a tree for every loan. Now, the cons of this, however, is that it requires several years of credit history. So you need to have a good credit history in order for you to be able to have a loan with them. Now, there are no options as well to pay your creditors directly, and it's not available for student loans or business loans, and no option for pre-approval on website, but pre-qualification is available on some third-party lending platforms. On the other hand, we have here Happy Money. So Happy Money can give or grant a loan of $5,000 to $40,000. So with this one, its pros include a peer-to-peer lending platform, which makes it easy to check different offers or multiple offers. And at the same time, there are no early payoff fees as well and no late fees, and it's fast and easy application. Their customer service is US based, so if you are residing in the United States, that is definitely a big plus for you. The cons, however, is that it doesn't provide any higher loans. The minimum is $5,000 to $40,000 only, and you must submit a soft inquiry to see origination fees and other details. And finally, if you want a quick funding loan, definitely check this out, Avant. So with Avant, it's best for quick funding. It lends to applicants with low credit scores. So if you don't have a high credit score yet, definitely this is something you may want to look at. There are no early payoff fees as well. And you can pre-qualify with a soft credit check. No hard inquiries required. Quick funding, often by the next day you can get your funds immediately. And payment grace period, they provide it for 10 days. The cons, however, is there is an origination fee and potentially it provides higher interest rates. There is no autopay APR discount and no direct payment to creditors for debt consolidation and no co-signers as well. And that's it. Those are the top three vendors that we suggest if you're looking for financial loans online. And yeah, hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and of course the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.